Handon Bison Trading Co. Limited is dedicated to international trade, having built a professional team to provide high-quality and efficient services to its clients. Handon Bison Trading Co. Limited always adheres to the philosophy of honest cooperation, working hand in hand with partners around the world to create a brighter future. Choose us, choose success. We are committed to production and export, mainly producing hookah charcoal, coconut shell charcoal, and barbecue charcoal. Our products are exported to all over the world, and we support customized services. We have mature agents to ensure the timeliness of transportation. We're using apple wood as the raw material. We support customized size and packaging. We have two packaging methods: machine packaging and manual packaging. High production and low labor make the price of our products very competitive. Contains no harmful substances, and the technical team will test each batch of goods to meet the quality standards. The monthly output can reach 15 containers. The lighting time of charcoal is between 18 to 45 seconds. Burning time is between 30 to 90 minutes. Our 33mm hookah charcoal, 6.5 grams per piece. The thickness is 13mm. 35mm medium whole hookah charcoal, 7.8 grams per piece. The thickness is 13mm. We also have colored hookah charcoal. They are smokeless and tasteless. 2 seconds to ignite. It ignites fast and burns red. Coconut shell charcoal contains a small amount of ash and has a burning time of 120 minutes. We have established long-term cooperative with our customers, providing reliable services, meet the needs of customers. Welcome to visit our factory.